How to disable Windows 10 login password and lock screen. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how we can disable the lock screen in our Windows 10. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So for that, the first thing you need to do is open up your settings, the main settings of your device. For that, you can go to the Windows plus I, click Windows plus I on your keyboard, and open up your settings. Once your settings open up on the screen, the next thing you need to do is go to Accounts, open it up, and you'll be taken to the space. So here, go to Sign In Options, this one right here. Open it up, and once you open it up, if you have provided any kind of security or password here, you'll be finding it right here under this section. So when you find it right here under this section, this one right here, you just need to go ahead and disable it from right here. You can just go ahead and turn it off or cancel it out. So even if you have provided any face lock or any kind of, you can just disable it from right here. Otherwise, the next thing you can do is go to the search bar. And once you head to the search bar, go ahead and type in net please. You can just go ahead and type in that and open it up. Once you open it up, you'll be finding this on the screen. So here also, if you have provided any kind of security or password, you'll be finding it right here on the section. So you can just go ahead and uncheck it from there. After that, click on OK and apply it. And that is it. So therefore, that is how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.